Here's a 2006 Saleen S281 Supercharged Convertible. Just came into Unique, especially in Classics. Now available to purchase. This particular car, as you can see, is number 750 out of the Saleen serialized production numbers. Beautiful car, very nice shape, as you can see from the front fascia, bumper, hood. Not chipped up, not a lot of road rash, anything like that. Very, very clean vehicle. Actually came to us out of Oklahoma as a clean Carfax. Miles are confirmed on that Carfax, also slightly over 20,000. We can take a look at the odometer when we get there. I can show you, and I started up here at run. 4.6 liter underneath the hood. From Saleen, they're 435 horse. Be the stock color of it, stock wheels. Check out this interior, very nice shape also. A couple little things added on the brake cup holders, a little bit of chrome, some accents that set it off nicely. Dual pod gauge on the dash. Back seats. If you'd like to check out the still pictures of this car, see the undersides, the trunk, the engine compartment, all of that, you can see those at uniqueclassiccars.com. And one of the reasons to check out that is there is a Cervini's soft tonneau, or I should say hard tonneau cover. It is a two-piece, that's what's in these bags right here, as well as a cover. The two-piece tonneau cover will fit in the trunk, that's why they made them like that, as opposed to the one-piece. So you can check out the pictures of that at uniqueclassiccars.com. Come around to the back here so you can check out the rest of this car. Center exhaust, very nice looking on these cars. Chrome wheels. Again, check out any of the information, any of the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. We'll go ahead and fire this up so you can hear how it sounds and check out the exact miles. It's got a beautiful sound to it. We close the door. There we go. A little over 20,000 miles, 20,474. As you can see, Shaker 500 stereo system. There's a 5-speed Tremec in there. That dual gauge pod would have the boost PSI, and then I also believe it's an air temp. Going to the supercharger. Slip around to the back so you can hear the rumble out of this. Incredible sounding cars. Get a little bit of a whistle from that supercharger, rumble out of the rear exhaust. Again, 2006 Saleen S281 Supercharged. Over 20,000 miles. Give us a call if you'd like to inquire about this car or discuss shipping. We can be reached at 507-386-1726.